Take this trim piece off here. You can use a trim tool. Just get behind here and pop it off. There's clips that hold it on. There should be one right there, but it's broken. Take this insulation out right here and just slide it out. This vehicle has manual mirrors, so there's no wires coming out to go to a connector. If you wanted to, you could take these nuts out right here. Just be creative, use a wrench or something, and then there's another nut up here and hold the mirror. Take that out. For this, we're going to take this door panel off so we can access these nuts easier. Remove this lock knob. You can use a 90-degree pick and just get under here. There's a little tab that needs to come out. Slide that out like that, and then you should be able to slide this off. There's two trim covers, one right here and one behind this handle. Use a straight blade screwdriver. Just get underneath here, pop it up, and slide that out. And same with the bottom one. Just gonna slide in behind here and pop it out. There's some clips that hold it on. Now there's 3 bolts, one down there and 2 behind there. Use a 10mm socket. Take these bolts out. Now I'm going to remove the window handle. If you don't have manual windows, then you can skip this step. Put the handle where you're going to know how to put it back on, and then take a handle removal tool, window handle removal tool, and slide it in position. And just slide it out. There's a little clip in there that you need this tool for. And push that clip back down. And then there's a washer as well. So you want the tool to go in between the washer and the handle. Now there's trim clips holding the rest of the door panel on. Take a trim removal tool or a trim tool and just pop the door panel off. Just be careful. And slide it out. And at this point, you could disconnect this cable right here if you want to, but I can access these bolts or these nuts, so I'm just going to leave the door panel just like that. Now I'll take these nuts out, use a 10mm socket. And when I go to take the last one out, just make sure you support the mirror on the outside. Grab the mirror and slide it out. And take the new mirror and slide it in position. Make sure you have one of the nuts in your hand and get that started. Once you get that one on, you can let go of the mirror and put the other nuts on. And snug these down. Not too tight. Now slide the door panel back in position. Slide the part up top into the window channel. And make sure this lock rod goes through there. That looks all set. And press it in. Take the window handle and this washer, slide this in position first, and slide this back in the way you took it off. That's good. Now take the 3 bolts and put those back in position. And snug those down. Take these trim covers and snap them in place. Same with this one. And take the lock rod button, Slide this in position. Once it's pushed down, push that little button down, make sure it works and lines up. Install this foam piece. And take the trim cover, line it up, and lock it down.